how to double space on a Word document in your Mac. So, if you want a double space, highlight all the text, then right click and select paragraph. Now, here in the spacing, you'll see line spacing. It's always set to single in most default settings, so drop this down and select double. Then you can press OK and you'll have double spacing. If you want to change the width, highlight all the text, drop down this box here, and you'll have different spacing options available. Now if you want to make this default from now on, drop this down here, then go to line spacing options, then choose set as default. Then you want to select this document only if you only want it to be on this document only, or based on all documents on the normal template. So this will be double spacing on all documents from now on. I'll just keep it this document only. So now when you start typing, double spacing will be on everything. So that's how to double space on a Word document in your Mac. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.